Hello everyone, this is Nectaris from Hot Forex. Comments by President Trump and Fed's Bullard help increase uncertainty with regards to the US economy and pushed US equities down. In particular, President Trump commented that the meeting with the Chinese president is not likely to take place soon, and he referred to March as a possible date for this meeting. In contrast, the Fed member Bullard commented that the idea of having a reduction in the amount of bonds that the Fed is selling in respect to what it has purchased before during the QE period appears to have reached a point where a more scaling back is more or less viewed in the same respect as the possibility of increasing. So in essence, the overall design of the program is expected to slow down a bit, even though this is not certain, as Bullard did not specifically comment on a date or on an amount. This, as we said before, helped push the equities down, while the dollar also lost against most currencies, as in particular the Aussie recorded a relatively large movement, given that the decline over the Australian economy reduced growth forecast was more than overcome by Bullard's and Trump's comments. In contrast, the US dollar does not appear to have lost much against the yen, as the surveys that came out earlier today showed a relative slowdown in the Japanese economy as well, which helped push the dollar higher. In contrast, the sterling gained significantly after the meeting between Theresa May and Jean-Claude Juncker, as the two agreed to meet again in late February, creating some hopes for a new agreement. Finally, the price of gold moved relatively stable and did not cross any particular pivot points, so it's currently trading at $1,309 and appears to have been relatively stable and unaffected by the developments in the US. So that's it for today. Keep in mind that we have the Russian interest rate decision today, and also later today we have the Canadian labor market announcements, which could have some impact on the Canadian dollar. That's it for now. Take care and trade safely. Bye bye.